Alright, what is going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at another video. Y'all just seen a review over the Air Jordan 12 FIBAs, and I just dropped a video over the UNC 1 SB collaborations. So make sure I go check out those two videos, go like the videos, go comment down below, give me some feedback about those two sneakers. And today we're gonna be talking about how to cop the Air Jordan 1 Obsidians, man. It's kind of like a spin-off of the UNCs and like a regular Obsidian 1 mid that dropped recently, but they put it together and made it a high. And of course, all Air Jordan 1 lately have been selling out. The resale been very high, so I can just imagine what the resale gonna be and how crazy people gonna be on the release date of these Obsidian ones, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage, man. Link will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Let's get it. All right, let's talk about these Air Jordan 1 Obsidians, man. So the first things first, I try to put this in all of the videos. You need to make sure you have J23 app or you're in a Discord group. I dropped a video a couple of weeks back trying to explain like how that can really benefit you against sneakers, especially if you're new to the community. Like I said, I just now recently got on like the Discord groups. I just got J23 app last year after the Air Jordan 1 Off-White UNC drop. Now I missed out on them. I'm like, how everybody know about this release? And then a couple people told me J23 app is what I need to get so I can be notified on all the shock drops and stuff like that. So I try to relay that message to you guys. Make sure you got J23 app. Make sure you're in Discord group so you can know what's dropped, how the price is gonna be, like Supreme, sneakers, all that type of stuff. Discord groups handle all that to get all the information pushed out to people in the community. So make sure you in one of those groups. Also, I want to let you guys know how to get the check-in codes, like get the 10-minute head starts from home. If you are like a platinum VIP member with Footlocker, I do know for sure, all you gotta do is follow check-in codes on Twitter and they'll put out all the different codes. All you have to do is change the location of where the store is, put the zip code in, select that one store, and then go to put the pin in for that extra 1 minute head start, and you have 10 minutes in front of everybody else that did not get the 10 minutes. And I don't know how their raffle system is set up, but I do know if you got 10-minute head start, of course you're in the running to get it before everybody else. I had an issue with doing this before. I was selecting 3 stores when I got the zip code, but recently I just learned that you just have to put in the zip code, find which zip code matches that mall, select that one store, then go put in the 4-digit pin so you can get the extra 1 minute head start, then switch it back to your local mall where the shoes are releasing. Then you have 10 minutes automatically, 10 minutes in front of everybody else, man. So that is very clutch. Shouts out to all like the Discord group. Shout out to checking codes on Twitter. They really let you know how to get your 10-minute head starts or any head starts in general if you want. So for these Air Jordan 1 Obsidians, I already got my 10-minute head start. I got it from home. I didn't have to go get no check-in codes or anything like that. I went to check-in codes on Twitter. I went to my Footlocker app. You already know I'm already a VIP member on Footlocker. So all you have to do is go to your launch locator and view your countdowns. And I hit view selected stores right here. Let me turn the brightness down so you guys can see it real quick. You hit view selected stores right here, as you can see. Focus, damn it. All right, there, I hit view selected stores. Then you put in the different zip code that you do need to put in. And then you go to earn head starts right here. And then you hit check in for extra 1 minute head start. And all you gotta do is, it's gonna say tap here down here, and you put in the 4-digit pin. I feel like that is very simple to do, especially if you don't wanna go waste gas going to the malls, because you never know, you might not even get the shoes, you might take an L. And I'd rather take an L with me not wasting gas to get that 1 minute head start rather than driving around and trying to get that check-in code from that Footlocker, man. So very clutch. Shouts out to the check-in codes on Twitter and also Discord groups that push out those codes for everybody. I recently seen a map on these Obsidian ones and it looked like they're going to be everywhere, but you know what I'm saying, like a lot of releases lately, just because they're everywhere don't mean they have a large quantity of the shoe. They can have them at almost every store around the world, but they can be carrying by like 6 to 8 pairs. You never know what they're gonna do. You don't know the inventory unless you got like a true plug, a true connect that's working for these Footlockers. And you already know everybody wants Air Jordan 1, so this might be a general release. We haven't got a regular Jordan 1. I don't remember the last Jordan 1 I copped, honestly. I'm trying to think back and remember, besides those Satin 1s up there. I'm trying to remember the last Air Jordan 1 I caught before that. I think these were my last Air Jordan 1 pickup. I'm not for sure. Please don't quote me. Y'all go check out the videos and see what I caught last, because I don't remember. But all the rambling is over. Let's talk about how to actually cop. Small tips here and there will definitely benefit you in getting these Air Jordan 1 Obsidians. First things first, sneakers app. Via sneakers app. Make sure you got the sneakers app, man. Everybody should know what that is. Type in the app store, download sneakers app, and on Saturday they will be releasing. So all you have to do is hit notify me. You get notified right when the shoes drop, and as soon as they're available, you can go ahead and hit the 190, put your size in, stuff like that. Make sure you have your PayPal already linked or your Apple Pay, so you don't have to go through putting in your credit card number, stuff like that. You can already go to the sneakers app, put in your shipping address, put in your billing address, put in your payment information, all that. You'll definitely save time when trying to get these Air Jordan 1 Obsidians, because it's Air Jordan 1. Everybody's going to want to get it, man. Trust me. So go ahead and put that information. Go ahead and pre-fill it now so you can have a good chance on sneakers app. Also, Footlocker, Finish Line, Champs, a whole bunch of different sneaker retail stores are getting these shoes. So make sure you go to your local mall, your local shops, and go see how they're doing it, because I seen where the Air Jordan 10 camos are releasing. One store here is doing the raffle online, and then the rest of them are doing first come first serve. Usually we get that when the shoe is majorly like a general release, but with these ones lately, I would rather see them do the raffle than having people trying to fight over them, just like y'all seen on the Air Jordan 1 Satins. So make sure I go check out Champs, Footlocker, Finish Line, see what you got to do, see if it's first come first serve, raffles. And next thing, Shoe Palace, man. So I'm fresh down here in Texas. Your boy been hitting on a couple of sneakers at Shoe Palace, just because you can go to every single Shoe Palace here. I think it's like 4 Shoe Palaces here. You can go put your name down, put your size in. You have your girl go do the same thing for your size, and you will be entered into the raffle for all those different stores. So you got a good chance of hitting on like separate ticket raffle systems. I love those. I guess I love because I've been hitting on a lot of shoes lately. But yeah, make sure you go check out your Shoe Palaces. Jimmy Jazz, I have never copped I guess hype shoe from Jimmy Jazz. I think that's more like down south, like Georgia, Florida, stuff like that, because I haven't seen one here in Texas. Maybe it's one like in Dallas or something like that. But make sure you go check out Jimmy Jazz, see if they're doing the raffle system. Put your name down, put your size, your phone number, so you can be entered in winning a pair of those Air Jordan 1 Obsidians. Last thing that I want to talk about that I say in every video: if you take an L on this shoe, if you didn't get picked for the raffle, if you didn't get picked for the Footlocker and Champs and all those different websites and stuff like that, you can always go to StockX and GOAT. And I know it's always a controversy saying is GOAT or StockX legit. That's just something you gotta find out for yourself. I'm not good legit taking sneakers. I compared my shoes to StockX with another size, and they checked out to be good. Just a lot of quality control issues. But if you want to go out there, StockX and GOAT, they have been selling a lot of shoes to different sneakerheads out there in the community. If they were really selling fakes, I would have been felt that the company would have been taken down, and we wouldn't hear about StockX and GOAT, anything like that. So go check out StockX and GOAT if you really want to get a pair. If you take an L, if you don't want to feel like doing raffles, if you want to go through any of that, go on StockX. They're available on there right now, as well as GOAT. Alright, that is it for this video. I feel like I was talking a lot. Try to give you different information. Just know that the Air Jordan 1 Obsidians will be releasing August the 31st. Make sure you are aware. Make sure you have your notification bells lit for sneakers app and different websites and stuff like that, and they're retailing for $160. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Link in the description box below. Follow me on my second channel, man. I know I haven't posted on there in a minute, but I'm definitely gonna post on there very, very soon, so y'all make sure I go subscribe over there. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.